Okay, Tuya connection. Okay, first verify your admin. Verify admin. Admin setting. Light working. Oh, intelligent. Okay. Okay, locks beeps like this. Okay, then go to your Tuya app. Okay, add device and camera and the lock and lock Wi-Fi. Okay, here is your home or office Wi-Fi. Okay, and confirm an easy model. Okay, will be something like this. Okay, so okay, add successful. So how to remotely unlock request? So just press long and pound key with some seconds. As unlocking request. So you can click open unlock and the notification in here. Confirm. So can unlock. Okay. Okay, lift for lock. Okay, like this.